John Mahama. Yes, with the Ababa Tumsa Sofu and for prophecy, Mempen Kwasiade. Mempen Kwasiade. Ah? And Tidabia, this year, Bedimatam.
The Almighty Twene Jonas, the king of all warm up, Abba reacted to group na Mahama afọ me say omu ana omu en review prophecy so you di for na say osin nyame ma won komisha be ka kire wom I say e be free yankra e na eda oma no no sa ko na Mahama ate say omu en review prophecy no Twene Jonas abetire na adwene e wo ho ozo e femu a Mahama pa de open na pa de oh who asem a on kan kire Mahama aha Penyah block media me so say any dey mo obe like video no and my boss subscribe button so na be click notification icon of latest update na be try wa adwene dey ma me e wo comment section me so baso no a share video for so anya bi ahwe etenon go video ka kire o say Mahama His Excellency the President John Mahama afọ me anase wa create office bi a office no e dey a presidential office for interfaith and ecumenical affairs omo tanyina ne say oye udifo oye sempakani oye osofo oye apostle na o claim say nyame ama prophecy our prophecy efa government official ho a His Excellency tire mu say enkwagina badwam enko kan pain da bi enkwagina badwam enko kan trasa na emum no fankom hye no bra office ho no a be say free ankra ene da no abofo omunie atrene for what asese wa wo mu na nyame kasa o be review nyame asem no ehun da ke asem na nyame kura akakura no we say omanity and I say this omanity we mu after since nyame akasa awie no we mu after say nyame akasa awie no we mu na be ebe examine nyame no nonsem no ansa na yamo akoka say nyame say akasa ke ye YouTube kone koka so we say nyame asem kan dey say be nyame asem no kan nto asum ye ma akwa ma akoka dey be ye ma akwa there say in another sense no mu ni munyansa kura sin nyame omu nyame kasa omu na be sonni nyame asem so amo so ke nyame asem ko kasa be nyansa wum ana se nyansa nim ansa na wo odi for no ya ma okwai amo akoka what I say na enum no ana Twene Jonas abekire na adwene e wo ho na adwene kire mu kra no Ghana di for no wakeka bia je say America your maya enye odi for mu de chekire omu di nyansa na chekire man na etu hama enyai asofo sem no won twene hu fra asofo sem no ho na wo so enye chekire na man konkon Ghana
right here for you guys, man. Eti manya information ma mimi na pampam na mu mani moye. Manya information says see John Mahama e di aba betum say asofofo ni nyina of course me da me luxury mansion na pampam nyina timi so light to change color me Penyah they don't get me wrong, life is good in heaven on earth. I'm enjoying being rich in the greatest country on planet Earth. For baso anu a share no credit say that be ameno John Mahama. Yes, with the Ababa Tumsa Sofu and for prophecy, Mempen Kwasiade. Mempen Kwasiade. Ah? And Tidabia, this year Bedimatam. Ah? Maybe I this year Bedimatam, and then I be near Jimisa. Of course, Obaso and Washer, Charlie, me call Washington DC, acquire money moves BNT. Over this week in there, my busy me to talk to businesses in the I've been moving here and there, but I gotta go home and sleep my bread. Some called that, but me called that. Some some was no so. Timaka with you, my minion fasting, you're free in China. Me every 1 minute to be a buying bus in Sunami Shabroni. Obviously, I'm power indeed. Yes, oh, yeah, guy, I'm competition, powerhouse. Met me a change, Napampa Macalaro. Colors in India, meet me change you. Hey BMW, change the colors in the car.
Good morning, it's good to see you. What can I help you with?
Change ambient lighting.
I have already turned on the ambient lighting.
Oh, BMW, so I can't turn it on ambient lighting until the and observe me didn't come. But anyway, I mean, remember, me I make controls and my change ambient lighting, make me change color. No, we Rolls Royce crying be special lighting, make me change color. Be a mepe, and see we me person change color na. Or the mamina ni, mamina, mamma chum on free aqua, we on cab because you be jamming channel. Me did not Trump fear anymore. Trump fear you na I we okay we mummy in the hotel meaning say mo say ni din go so any I mean zoom na mo resem be hu dina Trump International Hotel I in the hotel mum na ni fear no the other side what they say me na timentam o me neighbor what they say. And of course, you know where we are. We are in the grassy of water. Empower, competition, powerhouse. I'm enjoying my last week, man. Of course, I'm enjoying being rich. My business partner been a testimonial. Oh my God, hold on. I'm in country. I'm in country. Me kodamasa. Mama sumunyo me. Maybe hold on a little bit. Maybe recording video. Okay, fine, my testing. And to make me change na a light in I want to pump near they make me change BBR. General say Mako Campira no so. Mako Campira no so na fi kala me peno. Oh, I'm gonna test kala me peno na ma choose mamin call BMW. My BMW, where is it? Hold on. John Mahama, what's the asofo for the maiden? Omofa prophecy mrew. Na John Mahama, what Jimmy sa? Abia mama betina kacho se suyanyansa no. O da so di Jimmy sa. Enti we me chenyi kala no. Me chenyi kala no. Ode ade. Ma choose color for fro. I say a change different color. Mami num light na mo re. A change colors. I say a change different color. We are red. What I say a change mood settings. We are special lighting. Which color be am pena me choose you. Enti mama mra. Meet me choose. We buy am pedi. We are me choose color for fro no or kataso. E bia ne ne sound ready ba. Buy am pedi. Me pe executive. Me pe executive. And ye me executive. And ye blue special blue. And ye special blue. Mami me na pam near. Here is a picky blue now. Isn't this beautiful special lighting? Oh, Mamenko, how do I go to the previous one? Oh wait, damn. End mode. I like that down way. Executive no. Oh, all right. Mami faka ni sini say na. Mami faka ni. Mami nyina ni say na. Akata na pam. Yeah, can a computerize or a machine by me. I thought that settings no na my confused ni ade. But of course, I'm enjoying being rich. To say there be a money na. Obviously, what a nice car, right? $3.5 million car. And the Enyagro and the Yeduaha is the beast, the powerhouse. This speaker in so light, special lighting, speakers no. Speaker when Kwane boat meto Samijan Fika and 5. So I just say speakers no kwa by blue no so feka crow. Hey, special blue. The entire member say me choose blue and say me blue BMW no. Hey blue. Anyway, me chume ho a Romari Galiaba loco. Isn't this beautiful? Once and one loco Romari protect the car. Oh, I bring it back to the old, Oh, I do. I bring it back to the old, bulletproof, BBR proof. John Mahama, I'm enjoying being rich anyway. Now me catch you as a BMW badge in the Bahano and the Bono. The BMW na M competition badge in the Bono. M powerful beast. V12. And Kasa. Obi like Steve Yames was now Mahama went to the case family to apologize. Aha. Kwasia. Afedi one nyansa. One time catch us say kopa nkra no abusianfo che wako nkra na abusianfo fi apa ma che no. NDC fo mu bio. A spiritual na America no. Does not mean say nkwaseafo na egu owusu bempa mo baduko bi mo. Emo mo mbra Frasta house every day say prophecy about omo na omo ni to me bi ahu. Enti when who energy out there kwa organize sa institution say yemfa enkofo emra na omo form prophecy mra fa sa energy no convert ko bie construction company na employ NDC fo ni nyina gum emu ya ma no afa MPP fo ni Biafra na yanye Accra to Kumasi road 10/10/2020 near ma by kwanum no bia nya ne kwan eno na ye solution no enyam paibo we need anyansafo to say aburoni wo nyansani wo ni krom ye bedum ye enemy $3.5 million scam wadi asenya we nkwa na me wo anopa me the blue buy and my bafi abesisa me wo red me wo yellow me wo so many cars tieri ametro no anopa me the blue buy ketwa no where the monster me call Washington DC ekoye me bebe duru fie no ma bre me da kakra na me another call from another executive meeting but when you too much comfortable wow and when it me road no na we go 2500 horsepower ka bia ni Ghana ha it me go bia kra America kra bia ni kan e go 2500 I mean na manya nkwase sika na metugu and mama brofo na customize ya twini dia mama V12 no enti Missy road na no ase me ba ho ba kono ni horsepower no from and na makọ Washington aba mbeduru New York wa ni na nkofo ha me se John Mahama si asofofo mra na omomfa prophecy mra nkwaseasɛm John Mahama don't do that. Obviously you are renting car kwasia one better $3 million car dia kwesi renting company say me the car am renting what bodamon o Gyae na company no o say scan bi anka nkobekwa ko bi renting company iron o say scan na to bank account nkra investment ye be wo amount o rent car 100 grand a day o of which I want me I rent 100 a day unya say scan no enti let's think like human beings nyanya ise bibia de jimi baba town accident ya kunkura na nkura na ku NDC fo mpanifo ahema sesi ana John Mahama hunyansa akopa achewo no enkura ne saman ne bekọ akoda din omo meku NDC fo ni bio enti we don't need no osofu kwasia bi emma o mehye nkom all what we need and say yehia ekwan papa na afa ni ye kwan na yemfa camera se mobo so driver ni okonkwase speed no police fo checkpoint bobo nti camera ne be record na police fo ache no no mama ni take it and ma che no ma de court nti ya ma speed limit ni ya ma ka kwan ya separate because me ko Washington ka bia ni manim na ka bia ni machi ekwan ni da so me aya ekọ no nko 50-15 obi anhia ne yonko mo ba 15-15 kwan ni we dey ma bantam akra keke kwan no way one way run about one way I say na 1 2 3 4 5 and say na mo bicycle kwan hina esa onipa kwan saa ne echichiri kuro won saa ne echichiri kuro ba si yeda bia e bibia ne de jimi a ye nko ye nim da. Of course, me powerhouse and we John Mahama nya bi montana kopim tamobu ena ninu ya Ibrahim Mahama nya bi montana kopim tamobu we special customization powerful beast the M competition pre-order high quality machine we nya chatawale die na omako wiano we I bought it cash with my own money physical cash enti na America police work on wehia FBI for omuhumi anopa bia chia me hello how are you boss no ma salute to me they can't tell me nothing they cannot tell me nothing because they are scared of me I'm the boss Does that make sense to you? Obviously, then your shirt is dirty. I don't think I will bring on your scar. Funny na kota Italia, me minya scar na mdia koto company Washington. I'm call abai. Me dia to business. Madam on a business in this care begum account. I don't value Italia. Me unit say bibini. I value my bank account. Does that make sense to you? I don't value Italia because me to Italia me master ura Danish kenikwa. And I value what will bring me income in my pocket. Me unit say bibini anything I'm keep BMW no. Bibini any scarces ya or they come oba. No oba na DOD we are no asant friend na dinatem. No asant threat no ya me the rape charge beto so. Enu bi no me ya to pate so asisi ya no. E mama akoma 5 si wa rape no. Enti unsolve case baako mienu miensan wie no. Na nka ma 2 no kura na usika nyina san ko bankrupt. Na case the aka no dey go to prison. I didn't come to the United States. Say me be nkwase adwuma me ba say me ba be feel na mato high performance cars agu me mansion mun ma chele. Me wo we ase me wo mansions be 20 wa America kura na me wo cars be 100 guma. Me how ni say we ase. That makes me more happy. Does that make sense to you? Obviously, show the receipt and papers that the car belongs to you. I receipt in there. For some reason, me fee address account until I can't show it to you because I don't want nobody coming to my house. Does that make sense to you? Until I already have a geometrical for how long? We pure customization, be bulletproof, high quality. So what I say, we my boy and I'm a tailor. Only be Montana, and I'm catch us every 1 minute to be a buying bass in a Yamisha Bruni. I'm a tailor. Only be Montana, copy him tamobu. What I say, only be Montana, copy him tamobu. Meet me a Kasachi and then one spark in Numati sound on V12 sound at the quack. High quality, of course. I'm enjoying being rich. Many come fucking because my sisters come back to back over the weekend. Nina NDC for susu, NDC for musu. I feel the man unyansa. I na stay with someone unyansa kopa abofran ma amene na busi amfuacho. My ya pass ma unyansa because momo was ya phone no mu ye no. Eye lesson ya nyankopon kire mo. Enti esi ana ma unyansa ko abusiafo no. Entafo mo ano. John Mahama Bema speech catch you say Krobia ni wiase obi kum nipa ko free. Twene Jonas say entitani aboa etimeba asanteman mu na asantini atampao pa e de boto asoa no na de kofie na asantini say di na tem na say atani kwase we si onsuro Ghana nyina amra obetimi akum nipa ko free a it doesn't make sense to me woni say nkwaseasɛm ti John Mahama outlay platform na got na oni omon kase wa be kum nipa bia 20 years simple no ahihya ma omon kromu afo nyina se o magimi aso am nyina akonsawam saa eno so kan obi na mko wuye no because mu hwie mojagu oman no so too much. Obviously they say you rent the car company bia ni wa renting company bia ni wa empower we bi wo we are special made customization with premium features, massage seat, and massage me, cooling and ventilation. When we wait in a boy in a massaging quown. What do I say? High quality individual pre-order. Any BMW individual, any guano. Pre-order, high quality seat. What is what master made Donyame? If you say, so when you're Tanaka and Mao, na say, when you're Tanaka and Nako Tanaka, BM, Yasiao, Ububefu. You don't want to sit in any car. I can't be in Maka BMW. Of course, don't get me wrong. I got my Rolls Royce, my Lamborghini in the yellow. No, and then I shall tell you who you are. Okope, area, you know. I know who I'm about. Me were Lamborghini yellow, me were black, me were so many of them. Now I post on Facebook, and I boys in who are not between them. But there is nothing can be compared to the driving dynamics. I mean, the adaptive suspension makes me afro pavement ways is here. I mean, second afro baby. It's very, very incredible. And yeah, let's also need Toyota now. Timas OCB as no. we premium machines na Rolls Royce out na pampam to so light o but the difference is we so light on a pampam but we set me be na pampam Rolls Royce won't me and this MPP they are all jokers. Yes auntie obviously are you married? Me that me worry that I worry me hu faso e so bra me be peska o ma megimi ha me peska kwanya fe na masem na e kira de me call radio so na opie kura o ma fie na mfa nkosia me ba escape mama pe masa mani bra bere no e ma pe na di Thomas Petel ko wie prison no sa na ma pe nya ma pe na Thomas Petel oni nya santi semia no nya ska ma e masem no di akoto to mansion no di atoka asugum no ato laptops ni games gum na ogbo na dia nka hwan na de ni ko police station oba o ko fa na to aduane amanadi no asan ko twa ntrato so abrochire emma e dangerous because emra ni favor omo enti ahaye meye ma asem wa ha tieri amechi ono Ghana na obetimi aye ma asem na Ghana no o ye ma asem a hu se kwase biti radio so ma asem ye be ma de so fam ma 20 fam ono mo branti o ma ni nkokuno ba wa bobrati said that the lumba we yere no mbeku ani so makuno that the lumba ne na busianfo ne se ne yere no me yefo no manim omo maka de omunim enkra 11 sa ma fo na ne ka bom no muku dada kedi no mo asa ka bom maku dadi lumba because dadi lumba di omo na dada kedi di omo enti omienu nyina di twa ba ko omo di fra because na lumba no na kura ne dada kedi no enti dada kedi no so ekoye no and a man coffee trim to on West End or Munzo Guso. Every 1 minute to be a bypass in a Munyamisha Bruni. So, anti of course, obviously, yeah, Stephen Yao so stop Bianco Twene Stephen Uncle Abu Basso no Ashen accredited the Biaman. Was it the pastors are giving fake prophecy? IGP must arrest them. Where's Abasi Anagana for Africa? Damn party. Wow. You know they were share too much, of course. BMW start the car. What you say powerful way X na boss in say X drive. X drive 4x4 actually ko animal ko powerful this car pa na otinama. Akunya no otina so amasa. Ami share broni. Ami me na pampam. Okay, I reset your green experience na respect. About green special green. I love my green color. I love my green colors. I love this one. I love this one better. I love my green color better. Yes, of course, you know what it is. Warm up and a rolling. Of course, I'm enjoying being rich. I'm chilling, man. I'm relaxing. What do I say? Auntie, Obi anywhere or ni Ghana or Munina Akron to your mama. Let me make it clear. The police for na surrounding America hanyina the police are from FBI for me na ekono omo Ghana for no ehu ma no maturem because cars of team nyina stolen cars me hu ma me suro bia because FBI for na crash me. Okay, so your mama Ghana suffer for no money to me omo yaza boys nyina come na diom entu cars omo mra ho omo ba be scam be twitwa ntro saa ntro omu wi a omu petwa money e dia kofie wali ase omu nyina obia ni to me de wo ye no eno anu so akohu nkura na busuanfo 16 people awu ne makohu o mabusuanfo na money abusuanfo ni nyina ahye TSA. That is enough. That right there is enough. Mahu abusuanfo ni o makasa eno anu no. You don't need no sofu bia me ye hwe omu nyina ntro no mtwa omu ya kronfo omu ya azan nyasa nko me kan kire obi se ne maame e bayifo abra omunim se omoboa so na me ka cho se every na mu na ohwe no na me ka cho se o se John Mahama ohwe anaju nyina omo ye ka akwan enti yenye dan yenmie construction company magana yufu no ne yemfo to pay rule we nyina bola kai na boys na timo musisa bola okro nyina enti ade kina mu ayefa nyanya nkopon e nipa da sani na unyansa no achichiri ne kuro nyansa Obi say Ojaba was including Ojaba on funny Jimmy Konya ono onim say or prophecy anka she oni ba be expose na anoi e be gu na ni ma say okudi no na wan nka no ohu ahia oni first day na no hu se no abaya o media agro ba be expose me TV so enti omo nyina omo ne tumi bia hu adwuma ni oman no no na omo nyina take advantage o system no na omo zani padidi enti nya de se omo tumi bia hu enti de America che John Mahama nyina ne se ye stop accident no by say ye den ye sisa boys na omo energy omo tibi ko obi krom ekoye construction woni pa krom omuko obi krom ekoye eko develop nipa ne kro ema no sa boys ade na akoy rush sa wodi betwi me last week a wonim ka ne bo me si wo mo de eja ni jimi ade na boys dey rush sa wodi America di match say den of course don't get me wrong BMW na not to said the other them no onti abontin noise bia onti hwe a peace and quiet. That is the power of the last week. What do I say? We are premium, high quality premium. Onti de be our bunting. And to say the Toyota and less or suma, and I say you now quite good. A peace and quiet. A peace and quiet. What do I say? That is the power of the powerful beast. So what do I say? And my family powerful beast in here. I'm in Nantikakra. Obviously, you are no longer sensible when you pass here. Tieno Krenja Jimeno. I saw for no money to me, Bia. And John Mahama, the America on a tea. Ye me a construction company. Emma boys in young copes, ye nim a quanya, yemfa India force, China force, why no me head one, no moon, ye me Ghana quinum. Offer Techima a bon quan, offer Kumasi a bon quan, fa a bon quan. Na yes, ye nipa, ye nice ye Jimmy. A nipe wu every day nipe wu ye stop sadiana, a beboamo minor developer. Car quine Emma crew developer because it me incline quine or the Anyan Cassini and 5 cry. Na the 30 minutes 8 minutes you free Kumasi drunk cry and I been 1 hour cry. Look at the time saving. Ebema productivity I hear you ma quick. Nye nyai se ye wo nano mo de mkoya wo South Africa nyina Jimmy Sem. Mo ne DNA machine wo Ghana. Anyase ye nsoa enipa mawu body ne from fry private jet and conquer ye separate one omawie the same way am sese ankura ne gu amnam esiom no sese omu amnam siom enti de wawu no ye forget no ne anwene atiasefo om se be om nso omu what you say now me catch you as a powerful beast in me powerhouse of course me twen ho pe be lock sisia the M division powerhouse and our logo. Of course, you know where we are. We are in the great city of what time, New York City, baby. So, enti, yenwene atiasefo. Ni am forget your mama uno. Wawu. Enti, omoma kan ne ebo omo ho ban say be ya next time omo nsu mewu. Does that make sense? Enti say sika ye de kwakwa waste akwa ye DNA no nanke ye de say sika ni nyina ato DNA ni bia besi Ghana ho. Said ya be ya ye betimi attest your DNA no Ghana ho na afi no next time obi foforo nso ko wu a yetimi akwa eren attest dan say da bia na ya jimi nti na ye de sika ye waste sika akotena obi krom abra ye betimi a training people no omo nso anya skill ni bi na ye de machine ni bi aba ye hospital dan say da bia no na ya jimi nti e wo say da bia ni assistant taxpayers money ni de akoma broni. So, until when we train people to know how to do the DNA in Ghana, it's a form of job creation. What I say, Bema boys in Anya Jumaye. Obviously, there is a video circulating that you've been insulted. You've been arrested by saying Woody Mahama tem jamo majimi ni nyina ndisi for na ye nkoba bia omunyo bia ose Steven Yames ose even Pokwasi road ya jato ni nyina enokre obi ani wiase obetimi ache me kwasia me petrol me to na week kura no charge your mama boss me ketu. I only men them come to petrol $18,000. Both mecano, the anopana me namino plus we my top petrol $18,000. Is said your mama boss me saying what Jimmy on me pen kwasiade. On na convertible Ghana CDC. What a powerhouse in the sound no. My business partner, okay. I gave them $7.2 million. All right. Yep. All right. Maybe I'm a friend, my business associate. Yeah, you. Maybe na me hotel building be. And I'm between us, can until I'm trying my company now, I'm selling building the mammy. $7 million be. And I'm be some say payment na go through, and I'm saying I go through because my accountant now verify. Obi say, yo, powerhouse na yeah, me am power na of course I'm enjoying being rich, man. I'm a chill. So, 80. Omamba brochi mo brani nyina esa no ma no package mi na bi wa bobo anya sika fa be chele me chele nti ananya mfe toto Rolls Royce we ka o pe chele better than so be ma asem na fi wakoda prison na kwase bi na edu sika no we aboa wenye sika di wa di house we jimi unim sika di me meti ami di ma di yi menya mi sika ego bi account m there bi ego mi am account I'm blowing my money myself. So I just say 80. Of course, the amateur nan say we are also human being. A dientina ye kotu yesikama kwa mrane say onye DNA my abra ebetimi DNA machine bi abagana. Ti say scanner e dey high private jet. Ibrahim Mahama private jet na at least obe charge Ghana government. Enye free because ono I say at least here so kotu ahoka. Enti enye free. Enti all this waste of money no. We can come together and think like a human being. Near the says scanning in a auto machine be said ya. Next time no ubisuko na if we want to find the DNA near your Ghana or now save cost na nya fe ni SB to play. Now say yes be wasting another resources. Huh? And the obi way on chrome no we can also equally do it. We do America. Me who say 1 hour bia omutua kana na msena menda ni skani within 5 years. 5 years my and so only millions of dollars am pack eguma council. And so it's a Ghana for ability 20 years, 30 years and sana member $100,000 kra mu ni bi da ho. $100,000 kra makakese. $10,000 kra ebi ni bi da ho. And so what in America so many years and sana member ho. So ti John Mahama we na me ka kire no hwe. And my onso omo ye ka kwan anajo 4 AM omo ye adwuma contractors enom tete wo ram no enom ram no wahu obi na te na ayin machine no omo ye ka kwan forever omo ye adwuma ahomache enti se buroni na okope bosia on ho no ni kromo na oye adwuma ahomache anajo a adan na bibini dia wokoda adan na won so onye adwuma sare we mu nyina contractors omo na tete cars and traders police ni adan na rush sa udi betwi mekano kwasiade ben no ben kwasiasɛm America ya me ame dia Trump crash ro me neighbor no nso ntime me ehu so anti we can equally think like a human being ni e Gyae said there be be Jimmy Jimmy mfaso ni so. Of course you know where we are. I'm in Times Square, man. We are in the great city of Ottawa for powerful machine in here, powerhouse in here. I'm for powerhouse in here. Oh my God. Have you, Steven, your man, say, have you closed from work? Make sure me wanna car and look until I don't need to worry about anything. Of course, the police are our friend when they bad you, man. Of course, you know where we are. TV, one in Amalan, BN is soft BN is sorry. Hey, me can't media for Jenny Pons, no, Nife. Oh, America, Ghana, and Casamia, you food. When you try journey, so it's still beautiful. Isn't that incredible?
Ubes man chale wa adwene ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.